In this video, I am going to show you how to fix Valorant stuck on loading screen. So first of all, if you are facing this issue, that probably means that one or two files of your Valorant application are bugged. That may happen due to any kind of reason, like for example, an external virus in your system or any other kind of reason. So first of all, what you will have to do is to simply go to your taskbar and right click. Once you right click, you have to click on Task Manager. Now in your Task Manager, what you will have to do is to go to the background processes section and simply search for Valorant. You will see a process by the name of Valorant or Valorant Vanguard. You very simply have to click on both of them and simply click on End Task. As I don't have the Valorant application installed on my system, I am unable to view those options, but in your case, you will surely see them right over here. So once you have ended the task for both of them, you very simply have to close your task manager. Once you're done, you have to come to your home section and simply type in run. Once you type in run, you have to click on this application. Then by default, this will be written in the open section, which is local app data. So you very simply have to click on OK. Once you click on OK, you will be redirected into these files. From these files, you very simply have to again search for Riot Games or Valorant. Once you view any of those two files, you very simply have to click on them, then right click and simply click on delete. By doing this, you should be able to fix this issue. Once you're done, you have to very simply refresh your system a couple of times and try running your Valorant application once again. But if that issue persists, you can also try to restart your computer by going into your start section and clicking on the power option. Then click on restart and you should be able to fix your issue. But still, even after all of these steps, your issue is not solved. What you can also try to do is to delete Valorant from your system and reinstall it from the official sources. So to do that, you will very simply have to again go to your start section and search for apps and features. In apps and features, you very simply have to search for Valorant and you should be able to see your Valorant application right over here. You have to click on it and an option will appear that says uninstall. So you have to uninstall your Valorant application, then open up a web browser of your choice and search for playvalorant.com. This is the official website for Valorant and you should always install the game from here. Once you are in the website, you will have to sign up by using your account and click on download. Once you click on download, the Valorant installer will begin downloading and you should be able to see a Valorant installer on your system files. Like for example, in my case, the Valorant installer is on my Chrome downloads and as you guys can see, this is the Valorant installer. So I will simply right click on it and then click on run as administrator. By doing this, you will be able to easily download Valorant application on your system. So everyone, that's pretty much all for today's video. I hope that by following this video, your issue will be solved. Consider subscribing to our channel for more informative videos in the future. Until then, stay safe.